Hi, today we're about 5 miles south of Rosemount, Minnesota. You can see it's kind of a rural area, but Highway 52 right behind us here connects St. Paul to Rochester, home of Mayo Clinic. So right now in this 30-mile stretch of construction, it's head-to-head traffic, one lane either direction. That's creating some challenges for the overpasses and entrance ramps. As you can see behind me, this is one of those entrance ramps, and that sensor that's mounted on that trailer right there is what's called a slow-moving vehicle, or just vehicles entering notification system that StreetSmart has been deploying for a number of years. In its simplest terms, the sensor that's located on that trailer right there is communicating with the message board trailers, the temporary trailers that we have located within the work zone, to notify traffic of that slow-moving truck right there. So you can see as soon as that truck passes by that sensor, it's activating the message board. If there is no traffic on this entrance ramp, that message board is blank. It's all about providing that real-time messaging to the motorists, in this case, that are traveling northbound, so they are kind of awake and aware and ready for that traffic that's going to be merging onto the main line. Those cars are traveling anywhere from 50 to maybe 80 miles an hour. It's giving the traffic that's getting onto the roadway a little bit of leg room here and providing that notification to get onto Highway 52 northbound that much more safely. So the Minnesota DOT requested this system. We teamed up with a local traffic safety company. They're doing all the barrels and cones and the barricades, and they called on us for some of this more advanced smart work zone technology that we've been doing for over 20 years.